Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Moto G31. So first, what you guys want to do is check volume during a call using these side buttons on the right side. So as you guys can see here, let's go over, and here we can change the call volume either using the side buttons or by just going into the settings. So let's go over to the settings, let's open them up, and here go to the sound and vibration. So this phone actually has the call volume in the settings. Not many phones have this, but it's very cool that you can also change the call volume right here. So if you get no sound during calls, then make sure that it's turned all the way to the right. And after that, let's leave the sound and vibration settings. Let's go to the connected devices, and now here make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled by going to the connection preferences, Bluetooth, and here you guys can just turn it off. And basically why we do that is because we want to rule out any connected devices. So for example, your car, anything like headphones, speakers, and etc. So we want to turn off the Bluetooth for now. And then we want to clean the earpiece here right up top with something like a soft brush, something non-metallic so you don't damage the phone even more. And after cleaning it, what you guys can do is test with another call from the phone app, or test it with totally different app like WhatsApp, just to see if the problem is with the entire phone or with a specific app. So if that didn't help, then what you guys can do as a last resort is restart your phone. So what you guys need to do is basically hold the power button. Now after that, let's click on restart and it will automatically start restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now if the phone still gets no sound during calls and you restarted it, then the issue might be the hardware, and I would recommend getting the phone serviced in the service like the Motorola one, the authorized service center, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.